Alright, I'm up on this roof. The shingles themselves, interesting color. But I'm trying to determine if this roof was put on with ice and water shield. And I can see underneath there, I can feel it's sticky. It's not felt paper, so it appears to have ice and water shield, so we wouldn't have to do this side. If we ever did have to do this side, well, we're gonna have to clean out the gutters, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 roof vents and a 4-inch pipe flashing. There's a chimney on the other side which we're gonna reflash, and then yeah, that's what we got. So this side's okay, no reason to do it, it's up to code, that's what Bellevue wants to know, and the other side needs to be replaced. Alright, thanks.